Now, to go on even further than that, if you have amazing results and your friends start noticing, there's nothing even better than that, I can tell you. Loads of people in my VIP group having massive success. Your friends start noticing, what happens then? If you get 2 of your friends and you refer them onto the Smartship program as well, and they do like you do, and we all get like a free link where you can share that, so they will then be attached to you. So as long as you've got 2 friends on the monthly Smartship underneath yourself, the following month your product will be free, and the same happens for them, and so it goes down the chain. So then you get the absolute free ones then, and then if you want to then still maintain where you purchase and get your free one, that's where you start to change then and be able to have 2, 3, 4 ketones a day, whatever you like as your maximum. That's how I started. I started on 1 sachet, then I was generous and I gave my wife half a sachet. I didn't realize after a week or so she was going into the garage and she was stealing the other half.